2 reasons to get pre-approved by a mortgage lender, not pre-qualified, before you start looking at properties. Coming right up. Hello, I'm Rob Brown. Welcome to my channel, YLP Realtor in Coarse Gold, California. To understand the terminology, let's talk briefly about the difference between pre-qualifying and getting pre-approved for your mortgage loan. Pre-qualified is a somewhat informal process and just a cursory look at your situation to get pre-qualified. On the other hand, pre-approved is a more formal look at your situation backed by documentation like proof of income and tax documents. So pre-approved carries more weight to that pre-approval letter. So that leads us to the first main reason why you should get pre-approved prior to looking at property. And that is because your lender will tell you what you qualify for. That way you can arm your realtor with those financial parameters so that they can find the correct dream property for you that fits your budget. The second reason, and maybe more important, is so a potential seller will take you seriously when it comes time to make an offer. When you make an offer, your realtor will fill out many forms, one of which is the California Residential Purchase Agreement. This form addresses many of the provisions of your offer, but most importantly, as it pertains to this discussion, is the fact that it discusses your loan pre-approval and your loan parameters. Page 2 of the RPA, or Residential Purchase Agreement, includes the verification of loan application, and it has a checkbox for either pre-qualification, pre-approval, or already fully underwritten pre-approval. Now, when you are pre-approved, it's customary to attach that pre-approval letter from your lender to your offer when you are submitting an offer on a property. Now, this is very important because this is the reason why a seller will take more interest in your offer and take you more seriously if you attach a pre-approval. There are a number of contingencies involved in your offer, one of which is the loan contingency, and basically states on a standard agreement that the seller has to wait 17 days before they know for sure that you actually can qualify for a loan. So in a nutshell, if you don't have a pre-approval, the seller has to wait 17 days to find out if you can even qualify to buy their property. So that's probably the main reason why you should get pre-approved for your loan. In fact, most realtors, most real estate agents will not work with a buyer in terms of showing them properties until there is a pre-approval letter in hand, because you're basically spinning your wheels. No seller is going to look at your offer without that pre-approval. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer, I've got good news for you, because right now, approximately 50% or even over 50% of the homes being purchased in this market are by first-time home buyers. Why? It's because there's a lot of first-time home buyer programs that are out there, and you need to talk to your lender to find out which one might work for you. If you're thinking about selling in this market, or you're a buyer, give me a call. I'll be glad to help you out.